See here the one more type of problem, that is find k if 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. So here given that this is factor, that means when x minus a is factor, then we get a p of a is equal to 0. From this a 2x minus 3 we have to find out the x value, and that you have to substitute in this polynomial and equate to 0, then you will get the k value. So first we have to do let 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, from this you get that 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. This is our a value. X is equal to a. So this is our a value, and let the given polynomial be p of x. P of x is equal to, that is 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. And since 2x minus 3 is factor of our p of x, when it is factor, that means we get p of a, that is 3 by 2. P of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve by taking, what will you get here? 2x cube, that is 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into x square, that is 3 by 2 whole square plus x, that is 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. Now we have to do the simplification. While doing simplification, already we know that whole cube means 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube means we have to multiply 3 by 2 3 times. And we know that fraction multiplication, numerator multiply, denominator 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we get 27 by 8 here, minus 9 into, similarly we have to do 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 2 2 times you have to multiply, that means 3 3s are 9 by 2 2s are 4. So we get a 9 by 4 here plus 3 by 2, and this is plus k is equal to 0. Okay. If you observe that here we have 2 and here we have 8, numerator 2 and denominator 8, we can cancel with the 2 table, 2 ones are 2 fours are, then we get 27 by 4 minus, here 9 and 4 we cannot cancel, 9 9s are 81 and denominator 4 plus 3 by 2. If you observe that here there is 4, here there is 4. If we get the denominator 4, it is easy to do the problem. So I am making this 2 into 4 by multiplying with 2. So 2 2s are 4. Similarly we have to multiply the numerator also. Okay. Plus here also k is here, by if there is 4 it is easy to do the problem. So that's why I am multiplying with 4 numerator and denominator, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now just see what will you get, 27 by 4 here, 27 minus 81 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 4 into k, that becomes 4k. Total by 4 we can write, that is equal to 0. Are you observing? So this 4 by cross multiplication we get 0 into 4 0, and 27 minus 81 we get minus 54 it becomes, and plus 6 plus 4k is equal to 0 into 4. Okay. So then and minus 54 plus 6, this becomes minus 48. Minus 48 plus 4k is equal to 0. Then 4k is equal to minus 48 becomes plus 48. K is equal to, we get k is equal to 48 by 4. So by cutting with 4 table, we get 4 ones are 4 twelves are. From this we get that k is equal to 12 is our answer. Okay, like this we can do this problem. See one more problem. If both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of this px square plus 5x plus r, then show that p is equal to r. So here given that x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 both are factors. So first let the given polynomial be, here already p is there, so I am taking this as f. F of x is equal to px square plus 5x plus r. Okay, and since x minus 2 is factor of f of x, so from that we get so x minus 2 0 is 2. So from this we get the condition that f of 2 is equal to 0. So equate f of 2, what will you get? P into x square. F of 2 is equal to, we get p into x means here 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r is equal to 0. And simplify this, you will get 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 into p, 4p plus 5 2s are 10 plus r is equal to 0. Make this as equation. That means we get 4p plus r is equal to plus 10, move to the right side. Then we get minus 10. Okay, let it be equation 1. Now similarly, since x minus 1 by 2 is also factor, since x minus 1 by 2 is a factor of f of x, so we get f of 1 by 2 is equal to 0 here. Okay, now substitute 1 by 2 in this x, that means f of 1 by 2 is nothing but we get p into 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into x, that is 1 by 2 plus r is equal to 0. And we know that 1 by 2 whole square means we have to do 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 ones are 1 by 2 twos are 4. We get 1 by, so p into 1 by 4 we get plus 5 into, that is 5 by 2 we get. If you observe that here there is denominator 4, if I multiply with 2, the denominator becomes 4. And here also for r, here r is there, if I multiply with 4, the denominator becomes 4. Okay, now so see here what it becomes, p by 4 plus 5 2s are 10 by 4 plus 4 into r, that is 4r by 4 is equal to 0. 4 4 4 common, so p plus 10 plus 4r by 4 is equal to 0. Then p plus 10 plus 4r is equal to 0 into 4 0. So make this as equation, then we get p plus 4r is equal to plus 10 becomes minus 10. Okay, p plus 4r is equal to plus 10 becomes minus 10. Let it be equation 2. Now solve 1 and 2. So what is first equation? We get 4p plus r is equal to minus 10, and here we get p plus 4r is equal to minus 10. This is first, this is second. If you subtract these two equations, this and this, so what becomes 4p minus p? So 4p means plus symbols are 4 minus p, that means 1 will cancel, we get plus 3p. Okay, and plus r minus 4r, that means plus symbol is 1, minus symbols are 4. So 1 plus 1 minus cancel, minus 3 symbols. So minus 3r is equal to, this minus becomes plus, this minus 10 plus 10 will get cancelled, you will get 0. So take 3 common from these two, from this equation, that means 3 into p minus r is equal to 0. So we get p minus r is equal to 0 by 3, it becomes 0 by 3 is nothing but 0. If p minus r is equal to 0, move that r to the right side, we get p is equal to r, which we have to prove here. See here, we have to prove p is equal to r, we get that p is equal to r here. Like this we have to do the problem.